So today I'm going to show you how I use my Ayurvedic spray. So this is the spray. That's what it looks like. If you want the recipe, I'm going to drop it in the comment area. So I first start off by making sure I spray my scalp thoroughly, and I also spray my hair itself. Take your time. I also spray the ends of my hair because this spray will not only help with hair growth, but it will also help you strengthen your hair and reduce breakage and hair loss. After doing that, I'm going to take my fingers and just massage, getting it thoroughly throughout my hair, making sure that my hair absorbs all the goodness and all the liquid. This mixture comes with so many good herbs. So if you have not yet made it, you got to make it. Look at my edges growing. Yeah. So the next thing that I do is I now take my moisturizing cream and I just take a dollop of that, rub it around my hand and just put it throughout my hair so that my hair can lock in that moisture from the liquid and also from the cream. I squeeze everything in, pat it in. Don't worry, the white part will go away. The last thing that I do is I work on my edges, and to do that, you all know I use my Bantana oil. So where's that oil? Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the Bantana oil, and I just take that Bantana oil and just slap it on my edge.